Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we'll be explaining how to add a navigation to a WordPress website. So this is our website right here, and you can see the navigation is running along the top of the page. The WordPress navigation is managed by the same centralized location on 99% of themes. So this video will show you how to do that. So this is the demonstration website we set up here, and these are the pages we've added to the website. Just a basic, some basic pages there: about, blog, contact, home, etc. Now, if you want to manage the navigation of the website, you go to Appearance and then Menus. So here you want to create a new menu. So we'll just call that main menu, and then you create new. And that is done, so that's created. Now on the left hand side, you can see the pages of your website, and you can see that you've got posts. This would be any blog post you created, custom links if you wanted to link to a different website, for example. And then categories. This is if you have any blog post categories. So at the moment, we've just got the default links there. But if we wanted to customize our menu, so we want, at the moment, we've got home, about, blog, contact. So home's right in the middle, doesn't really make sense. So to organize these, you put the tick box in, and then you can click add to menu. And then you can simply just drag these about. So we're going to reorganize the order. So there you go. And then you can choose, some themes have an option of where you can assign this menu. So the primary menu would be the main one of the website. We click save, and then if we refresh, you see the order's changed at the top. So you can, if you want to delete an item now, you can just open it with the little arrow and then click remove. And also, so I'll give you an example. Say we want to link to our own personal website. So we can do, just put in the web address here. And then the link text. So here you go, goes there. And then something else which you might want to do is, if you are linking to an external website like Cude design or something, you don't want the user to leave your website completely. You may want it to open up in a new tab. So if you click screen options at the top, this opens up this area, and then put a little tick in link target. And then you will see now you've got the option for open link in a new tab. So just save your changes and refresh. There you go. And you can see it opens up in a new tab. The user still has that there, which is great. And then if you want to create a drop down menu, say we got services here, you can just drag this around. So to reorder them, you just drag them. And then if you want to drop down, you just drag it out a little bit so it makes an indent. You can see that. Click save. And then you've got a little arrow, and about is now a drop down from the main navigation. So yeah, that's really easy. The majority of themes use this way to manage your website navigation. So yeah, I'll show you how to delete. So you don't want that anymore. Click remove, and then it's gone. Save the menu. If you want to create a new menu for a different part of the website, so this theme has a footer menu and secondary menu, create a new one, say footer menu. Save that, so you just want about and contact in it, add to menu. I'm not sure if this will actually work if it's activated, but we can try, can't we? Click it on top. I don't think it came up. No. But we would activate that somewhere else in the theme, but that's just an example of how you can do that again. No, maybe there's no footer menu on this assigned. But that's how you can add and manage menus on a WordPress website. So any comments or questions you have, any issues you face, just drop me a message and I'll be glad to help. Thank you.